here, baby. Release.
Ah, there you go.
What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. This is your first time. Go ahead, hit that like button, subscribe, turn the notifications on. I'm hopefully be coming out with more videos soon. I know I've been slacking. I know I say I'm coming out with more videos. I'm trying. Work is hectic. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to do a Texas rig for your decoys. What that essentially is your line, attach your weight, and slide up and down. It makes storage super simple. Keeps everything untangled, allows you to adjust the depth for your decoys. Super simple rig, easy to use, a lot of benefits. Let's jump right into it. So I have Scheels where I'm at. Went down to my Scheels, picked up a couple of these right here. They're the keel weight kits. Make sure if you are going through Scheels, you get the keel weight kits. What you'll get in them is 12 J weights. They're 4 ounces. You will get a spool of decoy line. You will get a bag of 12 depth adjusters. And you will get 24 crimps. So I know, so you can go out and buy already set Texas rig. All you have to do is clip on your decoys. That for me was a little out of my price range. I'm hunting on a budget because I'm married, I'm in the military, not making a whole lot of money. So I gotta save money where I can. So this was the best way to do it. Each kit is 15 bucks. I did pick up a Rig 'em Right carabiner, and this is how I will hold 12 decoys. Currently I only have 22, and 4 of those are going to a jerk rig. So got 2 of these. I got the Rig 'em Right because it has the foam here, which is nice because it gets cold here, real cold during duck season. So it's nice having something to grip on instead of the bare metal on your hand or through your glove. So we're gonna jump right into how we do this. Go ahead, take your decoy line, and you're gonna cut about 4 to 5 feet of it. Personal preference. I have mine pre-cut already. And you're gonna take out one of your crimps. Alright. Now, we're gonna do it on this decoy here. We're gonna feed our line. Sorry, backtrack. We need to get a weight first. You're gonna take your crimp. You take your decoy line. You're gonna put your crimp onto the decoy line, like so. Slide it, obviously, into the hole on the J weight. Push it back through the crimp. And to save line, I like to make it fairly tight around the J weight. And then this is about the tail I'm working with right there. So then you're gonna just go ahead and take your pliers, which I have in my back pocket. Take your pliers. You're just gonna go ahead and crimp down one side, flip it over, crimp down the other side. For safety, I like doing 2 crimps on each side, one in the front, one in the back. That's just my personal preference. You don't have to do it, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. Because I am not sponsored, so I use my money for this. So next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna feed the line without the weight. This is what your weight's gonna look like. When that's done, you take your line without the weight on it. You're gonna feed it through your eyelet on the decoy. Next you're gonna do is you're gonna take one of your depth adjusters and you're gonna put it on, and you're gonna put it pretty far down. You want to get a lot of line to work. As you can see, I have a lot of line here I'm working with. That's how close my depth adjuster is to the decoy. Working with a lot of line just makes it easier. Next thing you're going to want to do is grab your second crimp, and you're going to slide that on your line as well. There it is. So then you're going to make a loop. Bigger than the one you used for your J-weight. Not crazy stupid big, but bigger than the J-weight. And you're going to run it in and out of the loop a couple times till it comes out of the end like that. Okay? And if it's not right or you don't think it looks right, you can go and you can readjust it, which I am doing right now. Didn't like the way that one looked. And this, so why I'm doing this is this reinforces it, because when you are clipping this to the carabiner, this is taking the bruit of the weight. So I like to have it a little bit more supported, a little bit stronger. So you slide your crimp back up your line. You put both ends, the tail and the main line, in. And it's going to look like that. Again, that's the tail I'm working with. So then you're going to go ahead, grab your pliers, crimp down, back on one, front on the same one, flip it around, back, and front. So now you have your loop at the end. Take your depth adjuster. I run my depth adjuster all the way up, put both the tail and the main line through, and put it right up on the crimp. And that, in a nutshell, is how you Texas rig your decoys. Great part about having a Texas rig is, one, the storage. They all clip on the carabiner, 12. I want to do more than 12 on a carabiner, depending on how big they are, how you want to do it. Again, it's personal preference. They all stay clipped here. They don't tangle around. They don't get, messed up in your decoy bag. They don't rip through your decoy bag, whatever. And then all you have to do, grab that carabiner, take it out with you, throw your decoys. When your decoys are sitting in the water, like such, all you have to do when you pick them up, pick up the head, grab this loop, clip it on your carabiner, and you have it all set up, ready to go. So now with the two I have, I'll show you. So you got them clipped on, and there they are sitting. The weight is down by the keel of the decoys. And again, I'm gonna put about 12 of these on here, and that's how I'm gonna hold my decoys. And that is how you Texas rig a decoy. Real simple, real easy, and super efficient when you're moving from place to place. You got a lot of decoys to set up, whatever the case may be. I think a Texas rig decoy is the way to go. Thank y'all for watching this video. If you guys like what you saw, you guys want to see more, go ahead, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'm going to be pushing out as much content as I can. Thank you again so much for watching.